Keeping a boat or jet ski looking spotless can be a time-intensive task, and most cleaning products only do one job, requiring more spending. Clean, polish, seal, and protect any watercraft with multi-surface Produxa Marine Gel. Scientifically formulated Nanotech Polymer technology cleans and provides long-lasting protection from the elements without the need for professional equipment. Keep vessel surfaces looking good as new with fade protection from harmful UV rays. Produxa Marine Gel is recommended for painted and non-painted gel coat, fiberglass, aluminum, and stainless steel surfaces, and can be applied by hand with a microfiber towel or dual-action polisher. Feel confident and safe with an eco-friendly and non-toxic formula that doesn't harm the environment. And all Produxa products are proudly made in the USA. Don't hassle with choosing between harmful cleaning chemicals for any of your watercrafts when there's Produxa Marine Gel.